Hi, this is Brian Wallace from Coin Laundry Association, sharing more information about excellence in laundry coming up May 20th to the 22nd at the PGA National Resort in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. Going to be a tremendous event, a lot of different aspects to talk about. In this video, I want to really feature the exhibits. Clean Show still another year and a half away. So this is really going to be your best opportunity to see tabletop exhibits from the top manufacturers and service providers. They're going to be at Excellence. We're going to have a tabletop display. And unlike the Clean Show with 10,000 people, this is a much more intimate opportunity to connect with key people with our various manufacturers and service providers. We're looking at more of a 200 or 250 person setting. So you really are going to get one-on-one with these folks, and thought I'd just kind of run through some of the people that you could expect to spend some time with on site. I'm going to start with our strategic corporate ally partners. These are the folks that have risen to the kind of next level of support for the association and are taking title sponsorship at this event. That's Alliance Laundry Systems, that is Sense, Dexter Laundry, and Gerbau North America. So they'll all have members of their team on site, ready to talk with you about what's going on with their products and services. I think just a great opportunity for you to learn more about what's going on. I see here we have got a number of the CLA affiliated folks to share with you. That's Forward Energy, Chris Ward, who leads our tremendous utility buying program through the association. Very much worth your time. I see that Alex and the crew from CLA Insurance will be on site. I'm afraid it's been a tough go for laundromat insurance over the last several months, but that's what we're here for. It's all we do every day. So they'll be on site ready to visit with you. Speaking of the Clean Show, we'll have representatives from Clean 2025, the show coming up in Orlando next year. So you'll get all the details on that early on. Our wonderful Laundry Cares Foundation team will be on site, so you'll be able to spend some time with them as well. But let's run down the rest of the list of our manufacturers that you'll be able to spend some time with, as well as the service providers. American Changer, we'll have the folks from Arm & Hammer. Card Concepts will be on site, as well as Eastern Funding. Looking forward to seeing ESD, as well as HM Company. We'll have the folks from Hipsch on board, as well as the folks from Hydro Perfect Pour. Really great to see Kiosoft on our list, as well as Laundry Works. Our good friends at Laundry Lux will be on site distributing, as well as Mountain Electronics, as well as the Onera Group, which includes the Fagor brand and Domus brand. So the list keeps growing. We're trying to find more space to put in more tables, but the point is, one more reason to come to Excellence in Laundry is to spend time with the leaders in equipment and services for the business. You'll get some one-on-one time with them, and they're all going to be there with us in Florida on May 20th to the 22nd. Go to coinlaundry.org for more details, and we'll see you down in Florida.